Are you wondering what is a good shade of gray-green color paint and how will it look in your kitchen, dining room, or living room? Also, what are some good complementary colors to go along with this gray-green color? And is this a trendy decision that you will regret shortly and be changing, or a timeless classic color choice that you will adore for years to come? In today's visit, I hope to answer these questions and more. Joining us is Sarah from Sarah's October Home. She will be sharing how she decorates her vintage country cottage in her signature color, green. Be sure to check her out in my description box below and subscribe. Hello friends, and welcome. If you're new, I'm Rachel from the blog stonecottagehome.com, where we create a home from the heart with our hands. Today, let's talk about choosing and using one of my favorite colors, green. First, we'll talk about different shades of green, good places to use it in your home, and complementary colors that will look good with different shades of green. Next, we'll discuss how trendy or timeless this color choice would be, and I'm saving the best for last, where we will explore paint and wallpaper samples to create that English country look with this beautiful shade of green. For starters, it's good to know that green comes in many shades, and I'm sure you'll find a handful that suits you perfectly. Sage can lean warm or cool. Once you've chosen which is your favorite, this will narrow your decisions by 50%. To help you choose between a cool or a warm sage green, look to your wardrobe. If you're comfortable wearing it, you'll be comfortable with it in your home. Here you can see a warm green would be my choice. These examples show a warmer sage green. Here, the blue is more pronounced. Sage can be dark and moody, as in the picture on the right, or light, bright, and airy, almost minty. Since green is a natural color that we are used to observing every day, there are many places in your home where it is appropriate and enjoyable. In the bedroom, green creates a serene, restful retreat. In the kitchen, it is fresh and crisp. Green can be equally effective in large doses or as accent pieces, as in this pantry and storage cabinet. Being that green is paired with so many colors in nature, there are equally as many colors we can use to pair them with in our homes. Using the wardrobe trick, I have taken this picture and paired it with a lovely linen dress with similar colors and matched it to a color palette online. This palette can then become a guide for the other rooms in your home, making all of the spaces come together in a unified, intentional manner. In this living room, pink and green are paired for a feminine look. In the second living room, blue and green are anchored with a masculine brown couch. Lighting plays a significant role here. Same paint, but one room reads warm and the other cool. The most natural color pairing with green is blue. Think of the world we live in. Underfoot and all around is green, and above, a giant blue sky. In this living room, we see green with accents of blue and touches of brown. Then in this girlish bedroom, we see the proportions flipped, a pink room with green accents. Now for the question if sage green is timeless or trendy. I'm sure you all recognize these pictures as I've shown you this kitchen many times. What I've recently learned is that this kitchen was created by a company called Deval Kitchens in the UK. This German couple, Kirsten and Jörg, have a YouTube channel, and they recently took a tour of the Deval Kitchens. This one in particular is called the Shaker Kitchen, and I was amazed to learn that it was installed 8 years ago. It looks as if it has been there for decades and decades, and yet brand new at the same time. This is due to clever timelessness in design and color palette. Knowing this makes the decision of creating and painting cottage kitchens like these two a safe bet. But is your favorite shade of green timeless? Consider the shades of green you find in nature. These colors are timeless. They have been here since the world was created. Saturation is important. If you have a heavily saturated color, it will often come across as amateurish, cheap, and easily dated. Now for the icing on top, let's talk about green paint and wallpaper. Many colors look good with green. Let's look at a few wallpaper choices from Pinterest and then a few of my own that I've collected. Hopefully by now you are beginning to get a feel of just the shade of sage green that suits you, whether it's dark and moody, light and bright, warm, or cool. What areas in your home are you considering adding sage green? What other colors would you like to explore? Before committing to wallpaper, you might compare the samples against your wardrobe. Now let's play with color. I have a few wallpaper samples I think are absolutely beautiful. All of them come from wallpaperdirect.com, and here you can see I have a collection of paint chips. It is amazing to see what changes when you add different shades of green and complementary colors. Each color evokes a different mood, a different style, and perhaps even location in a different room. The blue is a high contrast, and I can see it on beadboard for half of the wall. The greens all give different vibes of natural color, and the pink makes me think of a girl's bedroom. While it is easy to go with colors that are in the wallpaper, don't be afraid of experimenting with something that might be a contrast rather than a complement. You might just make a fun discovery. This wallpaper sample was definitely outside my comfort zone in scale, coloration, and design, but there still was something I liked about it. Look at all these fabulous colors that go with it. The blue is a direct contrast while the others are complementary. This was such a fun little experiment, and another thing that I learned is how well these colors travel from one sample to the next. Don't be afraid to play with color. There will be a natural continuity when the colors are chosen by your own eye. Remember to drop by Sarah's gorgeous vintage cottage, grab some inspiration for decorating with green, and thank her for sharing her beautiful home with us. That was delightful. If you enjoyed today's visit and are interested in creating a home that is timeless and curated, you might also enjoy my video on learning the different cottage styles. I'll link that for you here. Thank you for coming along today. Subscribe for more visits like this one. And until next time, take care.